Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola G13 device, and now I can show you how to recover deleted photos, videos from recycle bin. So firstly, open Photos application, find library here, and here you will see trash, and here you will see all recently deleted files. All recently deleted photos and videos will be here during 30 days. As you can see, backed up items will be permanently deleted after 60 days, but not backed files will be permanently deleted over 30 days. So here you have these photos and videos, and if you want to recover these photos and videos, just set it and click restore, and create. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.